Welcome to our Cinema 4D Mastery course. In this module, we'll start by giving you an overview of the interface and workspace in Cinema 4D. Understanding how to navigate and utilize the tools available is crucial for creating amazing 3D designs. So let's dive in. Here we have the Cinema 4D interface. At first glance, it may seem overwhelming, but fear not. We'll break it down step by step. At the top, we have the menu bar. This is where you'll find various options and commands to access different features of the software. It's your control center for managing your projects. Next, we have the toolbar, located just below the menu bar. It contains commonly used tools for creating and manipulating objects, such as the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools. You can also access additional tools and settings from the toolbar. On the right side, we find the Object Manager. This is where you'll manage all the objects in your scene. You can organize them into hierarchies, apply tags, and control their visibility or animation properties. Next, we have the Attribute Manager. This panel displays the properties and settings of selected objects, materials, or lights that allows you to make precise adjustments and modifications to your scene elements. Now, let's focus on the central part of the interface, which is the viewport. This is your window into the 3D world you'll be creating. You can navigate and interact with your scene, move and rotate objects, and even see the results of your lighting and texturing. Lastly, we have the timeline at the bottom. It allows you to control the animation of your objects over time. You can set keyframes, adjust timing, and create complex animations using this powerful tool. That covers the basic elements of the Cinema 4D interface. Remember, as you progress through the course, you'll become more familiar and comfortable with these components. Now let's move on to navigating and exploring the workspace. To navigate the viewport, you can use the mouse and keyboard shortcuts. Hold the Alt key and left-click to orbit around the scene. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out, and hold the Alt key with the right mouse button to pan. Additionally, you can use the various layout presets available to customize your workspace to your liking. You can save and switch between different layouts depending on the task at hand, whether it's modeling, animation, or motion graphics. That concludes our overview of the interface and workspace in Cinema 4D. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to familiarize yourself with these elements and navigation techniques. In the next module, we'll start exploring the exciting world of 3D modeling. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.